Thank you.
Okay, you don't get ES Plus that song?
Yeah, yes.
Play ES Plus that song.
No, their song not be your waist, though.
No, I know say your song not be your waist.
Plus God, not plus God.
Not plus God. Wait, before they play on a song, is it between you ready? Let me know.
Okay.
What thing they give you an inspiration? In fact, since when I start music? Make you not say from Beleo. Now that one I go vex. When I start music?
We start. I mean now when we
blow.
When una blow.
No, not be that one they talk. I want to ask you whether now when we start together or when we start music.
Yeah.
Hey. Start now. Start now.
We start 5 years ago. 5 years ago.
Hey! It's 5 years ago. But why people not know now since then? They follow now from village.
Now na name they do now.
I mean on a name they do now.
Southeast Plus. No.
ES Plus.
ES Plus.
Oh.
Somebody ask you a question, say, why it be say these days, now women and love, everybody they sing on top? Why? Because it don't ready for their music. I play their music. Where can I hear their music?
Whether you get love.
Whether you get love.
Inside.
Now fine song, Sha. I love the music. Oh God. Hey. I like the song. Wanna dance?
Like this.
Wanna dance?
Like this.
Dance.
Your wife dance.
Hey. All right, thank you.
What's the name of
What's the name of this dance? Bana.
What's the name?
What's the meaning of banana? Banana.
Not be banana. Banana.
Point of correction.
Banana.
Calm down.
For which language?
Which language?
Our language.
Which language?
Our language.
You see, now my problem with this.
No,
ES Plus language.
Say, what is the cocoa? What is the cocoa? Till today, ain't not know what is the cocoa. Everybody just bring it on. You don't know. Nah, banana.
We don't tell you.
We ask her, what do you mean?
Banana, Kosum get dance now.
We ask her now, what do you mean banana? He say,
calm down. Baby, calm down.
So this now, it could be the new dance of banana.
Maybe baby, calm down.
Calm down. Not be
down the rush.
Okay, sorry. Person there on the line says, Miriam from Kano, good evening.
You don't want my credit for me, Nedu.
Hey, sorry, it's the devil's work. Now ES Plus, cause I'm not with me.
In fact, now since yesterday I won't call you now. I like una dressing.
Our dressing, Abi. That is our talent.
This your dance now, wifey style, oh.
Hey! Hey!
Katim, I love this your necklace. It's very fine.
Oh, and they call it butterfly necklace.
Yes. DJ Easy Beat, you are doing well.
Hello dear, thank you very much. Thank you.
You don't finish?
I don't want to finish. Wait first, now you want to attack, Nedu.
Oh yeah, attack. Holy Ghost.
Since I don't on this line, you just they dance, they raise those your two fingers like first way they look.
I don't know. My dear sister, help me answer.
Maybe I'm waiting for your problem.
I don't know.
My problem now you.
I went there to that. Man, no dance again.
No dance like that.
Miriam, thank you.
Miriam, problem.
Thank you. From Bayelsa.
With this, you are two fingers.
It's Vetete. From Bayelsa, good evening. Evelyn. Evelyn
from Bayelsa.
Anyway, call us back. Back to ES Plus. On a music matter, but make us first ask Una, based on the topic we discuss. Una go school. Not true now.
You see as they look you like say.
They go say this guy is idiot.
No, I tell you, they look you like say.
What is this guy?
What is
See this one. That's you don't see them finish. Oh yeah, you don't say they look you. I mean they look them.
No, you think say I be like other people will say, and where did this start from? How?
Bros, and because of the 15 million you answered.
Where are we going? Okay. Let me tell you something. Okay.
No offense.
Katim Moko not speaking
Blood of
again.
Jesus.
So we're gonna ask you guys briefly. Did you guys go to school?
Continue for you.
Did you guys go to school? Did you guys
go? You continue for you for start.
Why?
If we can't start to speak English, now you're tired.
Now you go tired. I don't say you don't go to school.
No.
You don't forget. Say you tell us. Say you don't go to school.
Hey. Oh, respect our pidgin English.
So, una go school?
Yes, we go school.
Which school I go? I go na see na secondary school. I been at university. I been our school.
We go secondary school.
We go secondary.
Our school.
What's it mean our school, Nedu?
We know our school now. Anyway, make we leave the school matter. Now back to music level. Now, una just released 2 new singles, Bana Bana and Ishenla. Now Ishenla have been another thing. Ishenla.
Which language be this?
Na Yoruba. Na Yoruba na big work.
Yes,
big work. Wetin be the wetin inspire una to write Bana Bana and Ishenla? I been just stand up for dream just see Bana Bana.
Bana.
For Ishenla, wetin they try talk be say na wetin man work for. Na man go job.
So now wetin man work na him job.
So in other words, you don't answer question. We're not supposed to even ask you whether talent and hard work, which one come better.
So wetin you work for na you go job.
These kind of people. They don't believe.
You know this one just dey back. You know
they don't tell you say na him they know wetin.
Na too much money they worry.
Hello from Warri, good evening. Hey, hello my guy.
Hello, wetin do you now?
Anyway, if you just join us on top of the night show, what we dey discuss now, matter when it be say concern the 15 million naira scholarship money when it be say 13 people for one state, I know we call the state name, they want give them a scholarship. But now 2 things now they say they go do. It's either say they use the 15 million take pay their school fees for university as scholarship, or they use the money start business. If now you, which one you go choose? Don't forget, say we still get ES Plus for inside the studio. Now ES Plus back to now. How many songs you don't get so fast since we start music worker?
For now we don't drop like 3 songs.
3 songs.
Yeah.
For 5 years. What do they do?
No. The ones who don't drop come out.
Okay, una get
5 and 3 will be 4. 4.
We don't get like
una not sabi count again.
4
so
songs.
but 5 years, it be like say una yours they take break from time to time inside the 5 years.
No, okay. Inside of 5 years.
Yes. I been at the building
Una
myself.
go school, una
That
go
5
marry,
years, we
una
don't
go-
take Lagos.
Okay.
Where you dey east?
From Benin.
From Benin. Okay.
Yeah. So, most say 3 years now we don't
Enter
Lagos. So,
okay.
now we start the ministry well.
Okay.
So inside of 3 years now we don't drop out the 4th
Okay.
song. These 2 make on the 4th song.
Okay, the 4th song, the
Yeah.
4th song, one
Yeah.
I go bring out.
But
They
how the
expect-
ministry they go, Sha?
like so far on top music, how did they go for now?
Well,
Since
bless
una
God.
come Lagos.
Now, since una come Lagos, what will be the acceptance of una music? You understand for the because Lagos market for business for music, we know how it be. So far, how it be?
Yeah, so far the thing they challenging, Sha. They challenging. You know, when you do some come out, you see the way people they feel. You need to go back inside.
Go do another
Go
thing
cook
again.
Won't try
something
meet
good.
the
Like say
market.
competition.
We won't try and meet with the market.
Okay.
But that one not me say, may you come out from your kind of music.
Music, we una
You
get.
do them the way maybe say they will still accept your
Okay.
music.
Okay.
Don't
Which
go-
kind of music una they sing now?
Okay, we they do Afro pop.
Afro pop.
Yeah.
They do which one be Afro?
Nah, don't tell we. They say if you agree, what I not go dey. I just say yes. Just agree. Because if I say we can be Afro pop now, now one Afro pop like it fine.
So,
No, say not be your trend. You not go feel. No, not be your.
So
My
which
brother, I'm not a music sister. So I don't know which one be Afro pop. My own main beat sweet.
So, but
Make I dance.
which kind of song they blow now? They do?
No, the song
Or
with
maybe
the blow.
that's easy.
Easy beat. Now you be DJ. Which kind of song they blow now?
Dancehall and a little bit of mid-tempo, you know, dancehall. And so.
Their own.
I life, because
Their own not be mid tempo.
I like just be like say, now I like that kind of mid-tempo, but if you put some kind of, you know, some stepping beat on top and it makes sense. Yeah.
So their own nko. They are not fine song go.
They are banana dancehall.
Na dance hall.
Dancehall.
so they dey alright.
So they alright.
They dey right track.
They're right.
They don't blow.
They don't blow.
They don't blow.
They don't blow.
Like blow.
Okay, when I get just one video from una, what's the name of that song? Yekelemo. I been know when that Yekelemo come out. Now from this Bana Bana and Ishenla, we expect video from either of them anytime soon.
Yeah.
When? As in this year, I be.
This year now.
Next year or sometimes
year.
forever.
This year, anytime soon.
This year,
Anytime soon.
Yeah.
When are they under BMM Entertainment?
Yes.
Bumumu Entertainment. Now, would they expect any album from una anytime soon?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Definitely.
When?
Inside this year.
Inside this year too.
Yeah.
So far.
Inside this year, look at time frame.
No.
Inside this year, before the end of
get their
this
number.
year.
Now when December don't reach, when would they calculate?
Now here we go there telephone.
We go this thing they go show me.
Now here we'll come still show them the album now.
No, don't worry. We go telephone in December 31st.
Now, on get plan of doing collab featuring any artist where they don't need they known.
Yes.
Which artist na get mind to feature?
We get our man there for Davido.
Okay.
And our man there for Flavor too.
Flavor.
Yeah.
Now, which artist na you look up to when it comes to music level?
Nah, we they look up to P Square.
P Square. Anyway, we could take this call from Aja. Good evening.
Good evening. Robo calling from Aja.
How you doing, my sister?
And they do.
Hey, Robo!
How you there now?
Nedu, 2 fingers in the air.
Too much for you. Madam, where they hear you.
Madam, please have the hell you now.
Robo, this matter what they discuss.
Too much. You don't reduce today, Abi.
I don't reduce.
For what side?
Okay, no, I don't want again, no. I need to do all those things again.
No, you don't resume for the other side.
Okay, for radio, yes.
No.
Yes, I don't resume for radio today. I don't resume for radio today.
Now what then?
Hey, you didn't see ES Plus for here, Abi?
I don't see them all.
Which one you like pass inside 2 of them? Now, Ima, Abi, and Sonny.
I like 2 of them because they do. I like 2 of them.
Why you like 2 of them?
I like 2 of them. Say at least I don't look that they okay now. As a man, they okay.
But now why you must choose Ima or Sonny?
White or black?
They do no good make I say I like one.
How you go like 2 men?
How you go like 2 people? Are you greedy?
I like one now. Another thing they do.
Anyway, Urobo, this matter.
Okay, as a brother. As a
Urobo. Okay, from Kano, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
Fine.
How is you, Cynthia?
I'm fine.
Hey, you are shouting.
I'm calling from Kano.
Yes, we can hear you.
I'm fine.
Hey, okay, Cynthia, this thing we want to talk about today. If not you, what are you going to do?
I'll collect the 15 million.
I know what
with it.
As in, I have things to do with it. I can go into fashion designing, different things.
Okay, you didn't see ES Plus if I inside studio?
You said?
You didn't see ES Plus for studio?
You said?
Okay. You didn't see ES Plus for studio?
Yes.
Now, which of them you like
their music.
You like their music, Abi?
Yes.
Thank you, Cynthia. Thank you.
Please, Easy Beat. Can I talk to Easy Beat?
Yeah, good evening, Cynthia. I can hear you.
Easy Beat, how you doing?
I'm fine, good evening.
I love you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hey! Thank you, Cynthia. You don't join. From Ilori, good evening. Hey! Good evening, no? Adebayo.
You said don't your
Báwo kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mo wà okay.
Adebayo, if na you, what you go do for that matter wey they talk about?
Me I go go school.
Okay, why you go school?
Now school na good pass so knowledge is the best.
Knowledge is the best.
Yes, so money no fit buy knowledge.
Abi, you make sense.
Sabi do business.
Abi, you know sabi do business.
If you go school, you will later get the money to do business.
Later, all right. Adebayo, thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you. Anyway,
greet Katim for me, Katim, greet Katim for me.
See here now.
DJ.
Yes, boss. Good evening. Katim, they greet you now.
You don't turn up, baby.
He no talk to me. He talk to the same great Katim. I did here, so I still no talk to me. Me self way.
Anyway, on top of the night show for today, we'll carry ES Plus to enter studio, and then we still get. Now we'll go soon come up for start studio now.
Oh, yours now.
We'll not get time.
Oh.
Read tweets. Agbe from Macaulay. Agbe.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
How you know day?
Hey, would they find no?
No do.
Hey.
Katim.
Ma.
I like your gown.
Okay.
I did see for the.
You waiting?
What do you talk?
Now the real one, so this your gown. Now the real one, be na the shallow.
If you see the original, if you see the original of this gown,
I think the original one be this here.
If you see the original, you go bow.
Okay.
The original on grey in color.
Okay.
This color now red. Which color you they see?
So that pink.
No. This is black. You're not seeing well.
This is black.
This is black.
You're not seeing well. Now black. TV.
Okay.
Anyway, for this matter, to talk about, what do you go do if not you?
If not me, I will use the money continue for school.
You can't go school, Abi?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Agbev. God bless you. Good
I
night.
get the money through scholarship. So I will take and finish the school.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Agbev. You make sense.
Messi Sam say, I could collect the money, open big shopping mall. And then I get problem where I want make una help me discuss.
Okay, the problem where you want Messi Sam, the problem where you want make help you discuss, send them to nedu@wazobiatv.com. nedu@wazobiatv.com. Send them go there.
Then maybe Friday when
maybe Friday. We will discuss the matter.
Discuss
or if you go on top Instagram, search for Nedu_Wazobia FM TV. My number there, you go feel call. More know the matter. Anyway, double toilet to ES plus
God.
Say then come studio ES plus God.
So that plus now for God.
Now plus God. Now plus God. Bana. That's why they say calm down. Calm down.
So bana for God.
Calm down for God. Bana for God. Double toilet to ES plus. We wish you our best for everything that you do. God will bless you now. 31st December we call you now. Then if I never bring album, can't give us by then. And we could not give guy beleo. We could not give guy beleo. Flavor don't give guy beleo now. Na do bana. Man na go carry bana. Na go give guy beleo.
True.
Anyway.
And no follow the dance. This in dance can lead you to other things. I don't know.
Double toilet to everybody who call us for the night show for today. Thank you to all of you. Tomorrow topic. Easy beats, double toilet to every producer K Solo, to Albert, to K Moss, everybody. Thank you. And then to ES plus God. Double toilet to all of you. Good night. Give us ES plus. Let's go.
ES plus.
Then go come dance. Hey! Now this your dance go follow.
I don't know. Now you want to put up a video.